What's up, guys? Stas here. So there's this company that I want to talk to you guys about today called Mangoceuticals. The ticker is MGRX. It is a smaller company, but it is one that's on my watch list. I'm keeping a very close eye on it right now, and I think you guys should add it to your watch list as well. And there's a lot going on with this company, which is what we're going to cover in this video. A lot of news that I want to go over, so let's do that. We'll break down the charts and go over what I'm looking at. But before we dive into the video, guys, please trade at your own risk. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to buy this stock. I'm not telling you to sell it. I'm not telling you to do anything with this particular stock. I'm just going over news that I'm seeing right now, and we'll talk a little bit about the company. So let's just dive into the video. Please, please, please trade at your own risk. And with that being said, guys, let's break down the chart and what are some key things going on with this company. So Mangoceuticals, again, the ticker is MGRX. This stock over the past couple of weeks has done pretty well. I mean, look, in the beginning, I think middle of June, it was at about $1.45, $1.50, right around here. Then we had a big move upwards. You guys can see to about $2 per share. That's a big move. We're talking around 30%. Let me see. Yeah, about 33% of a move from the middle of June up until the end of June, pretty much. That was done in about a week. And then we started selling off. And mind you, we're still technically in this downwards channel, which I believe we potentially could start breaking out. We'll see. Let me actually draw this channel out. You guys can see. So we had that big move, 30% from the middle of June to the end of June. Now we've been chopping around right here, and now we're slightly under the moving averages that I'm looking at here on the 1 hour chart. But if we're able to start breaking back over, let's say $1.75, $1.80, just technically speaking, that's where the breakout could start to occur. And of course, the key word is could. Nothing's guaranteed, guys, but I will set my alert at $1.80, and we'll see where it goes from that point. And there was a big deal that they announced back in April with a Barstool podcast that we're going to talk about right now that sent their stock soaring. I'm not sure if you guys saw this, but if I zoom in right here, this company and this stock again had a huge deal with Barstool, and their stock went from 94 cents. Mind you, that was back in the middle end of April, it looks like. Actually, when was that? On 420 roughly? Yeah, they announced it on 420 or 421, either way, and the stock went from under $1 all the way up to about 315 in the same day. Then it pulled back a little bit, saw another rally to about 250, and there was a ton of volume that day. Keep in mind, guys, a ton of volume. Barstool is such a big company. I mean, that umbrella, that brand is just super well known, massive partnership there. And then it sold off a little bit, and now we're starting to uptrend yet again. That's what I'm noticing here on this 2 hour chart, right? We had that huge move in April. Maybe it got a little bit ahead of itself. All right, then it saw the pullback. And the big thing here for the bulls is the fact that MGRX is actually holding, believe it or not, an uptrend, right? It's holding higher lows here. If I get the oval tool out, you guys will be able to see it. So boom, higher low right there. We're holding one right here. And, even though we sold off a bit after that, announcement with Barstool, boom, uptrend is still holding. So let me actually talk a little bit more about this company, the Barstool deal, and other things that I'm looking at here moving forward. So let me actually transition over here to the Safari tab. Let me make that a little bit smaller, guys. Bear with me. I appreciate you all for tuning in as always. And a little bit about Mangoceuticals, guys, a little bit about the company, what they actually sell. Well, look at this. Funny enough, I mean, they sell an ED drug. You guys probably know what that is. Branded Mango. You guys know what the heck is it called? What the heck is it called? Viagra, Cialis, right? Is what it's called, right? This is a competitor rather to that. So that is what their that's pretty much their product, right? Their main product right now. And the demographic that Barstool has, and especially the Only Stands podcast, which right now, guys, averages more than 320,000 listeners per episode. I'm telling you guys, that demographic is on point for Mango, and this is a very big move. And the company plans on sponsoring at least 8 episodes over the next 2 months, with more brand involvement potentially in the works. And the company representatives believe this strategy has has the potential to generate substantial new interest among both customers and prospective investors. No doubt. When it comes to, a product like this, and they're very good at branding, guys. Their CEO is great at marketing. Let me show you this. This is their CEO right here. This is Jacob Cohen with the Only Stands podcast here. This is actually Glenny Balls, big guy over at Barstool. So that's the CEO right here. And I mean, look, with the product like this, you need the right demographic. They're doing that. Marketing's on point, and they actually have a commercial on YouTube that did very well. You guys can probably see it. I'll pull it up right now. So you guys can see this is the commercial right here. We're not going to really watch it too much in this video, but it's very, very good. Branding's on point, marketing's on point, and they're also running, look at this, guys, a Make America Hard Again campaign, which is just hilarious. You guys can see different products that they're offering, and this is another revenue source for the company. You guys can see we have the tumbler right here, some shirts, the hat. I would probably get the hat. I think that's pretty nice hat right there, guys. So branding, marketing's on point. A lot of eyeballs are on this business right now, this company, no doubt about it. Again, especially from Barstool. Shout out over there to Barstool. And something huge that I'm looking at, guys, is their CEO interviews coming up on Newsmax. You can see right here, if I zoom in a little bit, we have one coming up on Newsmax TV on July 22nd at 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, July 24th as well. PT on Fox Business, and Bloomberg TV is on August 5th at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's going to be with, of course, the CEO of the business. We're going to get more insight on the business, the future, the vision, all that good stuff, how they're doing right now, marketing. So yeah, I'm keeping a very close eye on mangoceuticals, guys. And again, it's a smaller company. There is some inherent risk here. I don't personally own the stock right now. Full disclosure, I'm not in this stock right now. But again, it is one that's on the watch list, and this is their website right here. If you guys want to go look at it for yourselves, pretty good branding, pretty good website. I love the packaging here. Go read about it yourselves, guys. I mean, the ticker is MGRX, and again, this is the company name, mangoceuticals, and I'm keeping a very, very close eye on it. And this is some other big news that's come out recently. We got broadcast exposure on New to the Street. Mangoceuticals is leveraging media outlets for greater visibility and market penetration. We have this TV show that's featuring Jacob Cohen, an in-depth interview collaboration with Ice Shaker, the Make America Hard Again campaign, which again, we talked about, the sponsorship agreement with GAS Digital Network. That's big. And again, the Only Stands podcast, which is getting roughly 320,000 listeners per episode across different platforms. So again, keep your eyes on this company. The ticker is MGRX, mangoceuticals. And again, full disclosure, guys, I can't say it enough. I'm not in the stock right now, and this is a sponsored video. So keep that in mind. This was made for marketing purposes. And with that being said, I'll catch you all in the next video.